How to share your QR code on TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your TikTok QR code in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok. This is the home page, as you can see. Now you have to go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines. Now choose the third option, which is settings and privacy, and then go down and search for QR code. Here is it. Now you have to click on it like this, and this is your QR code so others can follow you. Just tap background to change color if you want, like this. And if you want to download it, you can download it from here or share it in WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram from here. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.